friends, I'm Sandy Scroggins. I am here today to show you how I made my design theme card for creative crafters. I used black and white cardstock for the card and die cuts. The digi-stamp I used was by British Isles Artworks and is called Rose Frame. For adhesive, I used art glitter glue and my ATG gun. The card is standard American A2 size, which is 5.5 by 4.25 inches. For measurements, please visit my coordinating blog at thecraftybean.com. Now let's get started. I started my card with a black card base. I cut a piece of white cardstock to 5.5 by 4 inches and adhered it to the card base. I die cut a 3.5 inch floral oval frame out of black cardstock. I shrunk the rose frame digi-stamp to 2.5 inches and printed it on white cardstock. I die cut the digi-stamp using a 3-inch floral oval frame. I adhered the white oval frame die cut to the black oval frame die cut. Then I adhered them to the card. I embellished the card with 5 black gemstones by Picket Fence Studios, 2 in the upper left corner and 3 in the lower right corner. And here is a look at the card I made using this digi-stamp. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.